After that, click on view. Show, and this is checked. Again show. And then close it. Then next method, Windows E, open File Manager, File Explorer, and then click to View. Click on three dot. After that, click on Option. Then click on View. After select this Show Hidden File and Hold Drive. Apply. OK. Then second method, again click on three dot, go to Options, then click View and click on Reset Folder. And after click to Yes, and then close it. Next method, click to Start, then click on Setting. After that, click on Windows Update. Let's check. Click on Windows Update. Okay. Next method, delete registry key for the folder view. So Windows R and enter the regedit registry and then OK. Then yes. Then click on local machine, software, scroll down, find out local, software, software, then classes, then find out local, local setting, this one. Then again software, then Microsoft, there's Windows Shawl, then and then click on after that extract and delete this bug file, delete, and then close it. Then next method. So guys, first method, click to start, type cmd and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes, then some command. So that is 4 command. First one, sfc space slash scan now, then hit enter. Wait few seconds, it will complete 100%. Then type next command, which is second number. So you can enter also, you can copy paste. Okay, do not type so long of the command. So it will complete. Then copy second one and then just right click it. Okay, when you okay, then third one. . then guys, last, same as it is. Okay, when it is completed, this 4 command properly one by one enter, and that's command I will give you in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste from descriptions. Then it will done, then try to follow next method. Okay, otherwise you can restart also. Okay, thank you.